today's class we will be learning data communication. Data communication refers to the communication between machines, computers and computer peripheral equipment in order to increase the speed and ease the movement of data information from one place to another. The origin of data is known as the source while destination is where data is sent to. Modes of data transmission. Synchronous transmission. Asynchronous transmission. Simplex transmission. Asynchronous transmission, this is referred to as start-stop transmission. It transmits on character at a time over a line. It is used for low-speed transmission. Synchronous transmission, it transmits groups of characters simultaneously with the beginning and ending of a block of characters determined by the timing circuitry of sending and receiving devices. Simplex transmission, the transmission of data is in one direction only, e.g., broadcasting news on radio or television. Data transmission equipment. There are various equipments used in data transmission. These are the equipments used to facilitate the transfer of data, signals, from one location to another. Modem. The term modem is a condensation of the two terms modulator and demodulator. A modem is a hardware interface connected to each end of a communication channel. Multiplexers. This is a device which enables a number of signals to be accommodated on a single communication line or channel for the purpose of moving data or information between the source and the destination. Demultiplexers. These equipments perform just exactly opposite action of a multiplexer by multiplexing the received signals coming from multiplexer channels. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.